Hi everyone, all purples today. Look at the swatches. I'm going to play with all these purples today from matte to shimmer, light to dark. Okay, so grab the colors that you already have in your makeup collection, and if you want to create a purple look, create that purple look with me. Okay, so let's get started. These are the four shades, right? So you can see this one is shimmery, this one is satin, these two shades are matte. The darkest one goes on the outer corner, this lightest shade goes on the inner corner, this is the center part of my lid area, and this is my crease and transition shade. So let's get started. I'm going to take my fluffy brush and take that beautiful, pretty berry grape purple on my crease and transition area. This purple is very interesting. It has a purpley tone, at the same time it has a pinky tone, and that's why I prefer to use this shade on my crease, because on the crease it comes as a purple, and on this transition area it comes as pink fuchsia kind of color, defining the socket area. Now I am doing a very quick look today because going out, actually go to a park. Yeah, so wanted to do something pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty simple. At the same time, somehow I'm gravitating towards purples, all the purples. Okay, so you can see that I've already placed that color on my crease and transition. Now next thing I'm going to do is taking the shimmery shade, and right there, don't have to explain the intensity, it shows pretty intense shimmery on my lid area, a beautiful color. If you have lightest to darkest shades of purple, you can play with those colors, and you can get a similar kind of look. Definitely you'll be happy playing with the purples. Yeah, let me little bit blending. Let me do that first. I do not want to lose the color, but a blending little bit of that. The inner corner first. Yes, connecting the crease area color with my innermost purple. Okay, different shades of purple. Love it. And you can see how quick I'm doing it. A little bit of cleanup here and there. Okay, and now I'm going to take the darkest shade, darkest purple, and again I'm making an arrow right here. Done. It's a beautiful evening. Want to go out for a long walk. Some nature inspiration for tomorrow's look. Alright, now I'm going to take my smudge brush and somehow want to play with that shimmer shade again, connecting everything with the crease area and the transition area. And now I'm going to take that grape shade, concentrating right here. Okay, second last step, taking this shade, okay, which is the lightest in my collection, also a satin shade. I'm going to take that to my inner corner and make that my inner corner pop. Everything purpley. Are you up for that look? I think you will enjoy this look. Purple is a very pretty shade, right? I mean, very pretty color. Wow. Okay, last thing, with my eyeshadows, that beautiful shimmer, dab 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 dab. and done. When I'm in hurry, shimmers are the best way to go. Okay, my friends. Yeah, pretty happy. Now I'm going to line my eyes, curl my lashes, apply a couple of coats of mascara, and that would be my finished look. Okay, I'll be right back. Or if you ask me to do that on camera, why not? That way I can save a couple of more minutes, right? When you are in hurry, do you pick any of your favorite colors, or you skip the eyeshadows and apply a couple of coats of mascara, or you do not want to apply anything on your eyes? I am in a mood to do a long liner today. Yeah. Lined my eyes. Okay, going to take my smallest brush, teeny tiny brush, whatever you want to call it. I love this brush for, a very pinpointed cleanup, blending up everything. Going to take my smudge brush again, my friends, and dipping that into my purple shimmer. Yeah, I love that shade. And I love shimmers, you know that, right? Well, if you watch my channel, you know that already. Okay, now time to curl my lashes. Apply a couple of coats of mascara. Yes, done. Pretty purple. I was craving for purple today. I was actually searching for all the purples in my collection. I thought these will be my finalists. Okay. Do I need to define the whole process one more time? Or will you watch the video one more time? Alright. Okay, my friends, that is my finished look. Pretty purpley as I wanted. I'm pretty happy playing with these purples. If you want to go through the whole process one more time, I can define that for you. I took the darkest shade on the outer corner, the lightest shade on the inner corner, the shimmery shade on the center of my lid, and the matte shade, which is a purple berry grape tone shade, purple grapes. Okay, that shade on my crease and transition area. So those are the 4 colors I played with, and then I applied a liner, a long winged liner, a couple of coats of mascara, and a kajal pencil, which is a pencil liner, black matte pencil liner on the lower lash line. And that is my finished look. I'm pretty happy, very happy playing with my purples. Now going to rock this look and enjoy my evening. You enjoy your evening, play with these colors, let me know about your makeup experiences, and you know that you all are welcome to my channel Soma's Makeup Diary to watch fun makeup tutorials every single day. Okay, I'll be waiting for you right here tomorrow. Come back soon, and who knows, going for a nature walk, I may find another nice theme for tomorrow's makeup look. Okay, so bye bye for now. Have fun playing with the colors, be creative, and do something special. Okay, bye bye makeup lovers, see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.